Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name's Nastazsa. If you're new here, I would love it if you would subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram and TikTok if you haven't done so as well. For today's video, I'm just sharing with you guys more of my home decor and furniture must-haves. We're doing everything from West Elm again because you guys know how much I love West Elm. I feel like their stuff is amazing, and if you were to ask me like, what is your all-time favorite brand? We all know the answer is West Elm. As always, I will have the links to everything down below for you guys to check out, and without further ado, we can just jump right into it. All right, the first thing that I wanted to share with you guys is this beautiful new arrival. They call this the Solstice media console. You guys know I'm in the market for a new media console, so I'm just kind of shopping around, seeing what I like and what I don't like. I feel like more recently I'm gravitating towards something very just like streamlined and simple. I feel like this one is a good option because it's like streamlined and simple, although it does have like a really nice texture to it. So I feel like this is a really great option. It's a really beautiful neutral piece, and I do believe it is contract grade. Whenever you see something contract grade on the website, that means the quality is going to be insane. So I love checking out pieces like that also. Next up, I had to include these vases. I don't know if you guys remember, if you guys have been subscribed for a while, Target had something similar to this, and I would show it in my videos, and I mean, the piece is like so many years old. I can't remember, 5 or 6 years old at this point. Every time I share it, you guys are like, is that still available? No, Target never brought them back, and I couldn't find anything similar until I saw these on West Elm, and they are literally the exact same vase, and they actually have them in all different sizes, which is super cool. So if you were in the market for that like simple glass vase that I would share all the time, and you guys know what I'm talking about, you definitely need to pick this up. I was so excited when I saw these. Another option for a media console that I think is really great is this one. I love that it has like the carvings on it, but again, the carvings are a little bit more minimal and simple. You guys know I have my media console from West Elm, which I absolutely love, and no, I will not be getting rid of it. I am just simply going to use it in my bedroom instead of my living room, and then get something new for my living room, just because I got a new coffee table and they just don't really vibe together. So I want to kind of like switch up things in the living room. But if you are in the market for a media console, I feel like this is another really great option, and I really do love the coloring on the wood as well. All right, moving on to these marble pieces. These are absolutely stunning. I was actually able to see these in store as well. They're super sturdy, nice, heavy, really good quality marble as always with West Elm. I think these are a really great option, and I love like how detailed and like intricate they are. The marbling on them is absolutely stunning. So if you're in the market for a piece like this, again, I think buying something like this from West Elm is a great buy. You'll have it forever. Like my pieces that I've gotten from other places that are like, I won't name names, but other stores, I'll buy stuff and I'm like, oh, okay, like let's say Home Goods. Like you buy something from Home Goods and it's like so cheap, and like 10 years from now, you're probably not even gonna have it in your house. But when I get stuff from West Elm, like I love it and I keep it a lot longer. So that's another reason why I like shopping there. I just feel like the pieces you find are a lot more timeless. All right, and then of course, now that I have gotten rid of my dining table, I come across more chairs that I love than I have ever found the entire time I was hunting for dining chairs. You guys know the saga. I was looking for dining chairs for like 8 months and just ended up getting rid of my dining table because I was like, I can't find anything that goes with it that I like. And then I see these on West Elm, and again, I always mention like the backing on chairs. These, you know, they're gonna be comfortable. West Elm is kind of known for having super comfortable dining chairs, so my last ones that I had were from them and I love them. These are seriously so perfect. I think they're stunning. And another great thing about West Elm, you can get their pieces in like so many different fabric options. So if this particular fabric option doesn't work for you, definitely check the site because they have a ton more. All right, I showcased this in the last video, but it was the media console, and I wasn't aware that they had like an entire collection of this. So this is actually the dresser, and I think that this is absolutely gorgeous. I love how dark the wood on it is. I love how simple it is, but I love the oversized, exaggerated handles on it. This is stunning. If you're on the market for like a new set for your bedroom, this is definitely a really great option to check out. Again, West Elm just has such high quality pieces. Like you pretty much can like never go wrong with their stuff. They are great. So I would definitely check that out. That's a really great piece if you need a new dresser. All right, now moving on to kitchen stuff. And now that we are talking about stuff from the kitchen, now would be a good time to talk about my favorites over at Thrive Market. A huge thank you to them for sponsoring today's video. I've been shopping at Thrive Market like crazy recently. The deals that I have been getting on my groceries have been absolutely insane. So Thrive Market is an online membership-based grocery store on a mission to make healthy living easy and affordable for everyone with guaranteed savings on every order. As a Thrive Market member, you'll save on every single order of the highest quality organic and sustainable products with 1,000+ restricted ingredients. And if you find a lower price somewhere else, they will actually match it. You will make back your annual $60 membership back in savings. If you don't, Thrive Market will credit you the difference. Orders over $49 ship free. It's as simple as that. No tipping or any other additional fees as well. Also, who doesn't love cash back? Look for products with the Thrive Cash badge in the bottom left corner. Once you join, you can check out the deals section on the website or app for extra savings. And I'm gonna share with you guys some of the items in my order right here, but my total savings was actually $177.92, which is crazy. But just to give you an example, this tuna that I usually will make like tuna salads, tuna sandwiches with is about $20 at my local grocery store, and I was able to snag it for about 12 bucks. So that is a huge savings just on that item alone. Another great thing is that if you're gluten-free, vegan, or keto, you can shop over 90+ diets and values. And this is really great because finally you can find a grocery store to customize your needs. So all you have to do is click the link in my description box or go to thrivemarket.com/Nastazsa to get 30% off of your first order. And you will also get a free gift worth up to $60 when you join Thrive Market today. So I cannot stress enough how much I love Thrive Market. So again, a huge thank you to them for sponsoring today's video. Okay, the two kitchen items that I wanted to share with you guys. It's so crazy because I mentioned in my last video that Anthropologie had these cups that I have and I love, and they never brought them back in stock. Well, believe it or not, West Elm has basically the same cup. Honestly, I think I might like this one more just because you can fit more liquid in it. That's the only problem I have with mine. They're like very cute and slim and dainty. So if you're actually like trying to drink like a glass of water, not the best option for that, but they still look so beautiful. I actually think I'm gonna pick up some of these just to go with them since I love the style of them so much. So they have them in the white color as well as the brown, so just kind of like whichever fits your vibe and style more. And then to go along with that, they also have the bowls, which I think these are absolutely just beautiful and stunning. Again, getting some really nice dishware or dinnerware in the kitchen just makes everything so much better, and I've definitely been trying to upgrade that area of my home recently, and I feel like both of these are really great options to check out. So if you're in the market for something like that, or you think these are as cute as I do, definitely go ahead and snag those while you can. All right, next up, I just wanted to share with you guys this super simple floor lamp because I just thought it was so adorable. I feel like this would be perfect for like a kid's bedroom, and I feel like the price point is also really good for the quality of it. It's just got this like cool like zigzag style to it. Another great thing about it is it won't take up too much space. Sometimes these lamps like this, they make them with like a really cool base on them, but they take up so much room. This one's a little bit more minimalistic, and I just love the lampshade that's on it as well. So if you're looking for something just to kind of spice up the home, I feel like something like this would be a really great option. All right, next up are these wall sconces. I saw these and I was like, these are absolutely stunning. I think these are so beautiful. I feel like wall sconces are a really great way to kind of like complete a bedroom. If you feel like your bedroom is just kind of like incomplete and like lacking something, adding something like wall sconces can really spice things up, or overhead lighting, just switching that out. You can do both, but for today I was able to find these wall sconces that I think are absolutely beautiful, and you guys can see by the photos here that when you actually style them in a bedroom, they really do make the entire room. Also great for like nighttime. If you wanted that extra lighting, you can get that from the wall sconces as well, or you can do my favorite little hack and you can install them and not actually wire them for lighting. You can just head on over to somewhere like Amazon and get one of those like battery powered rechargeable bulbs, and you can actually use them to be renter friendly as well. All right, the pedestal that I have in my bathroom, I get so many questions on it. It's from West Elm. Unfortunately, it sold out a long time ago and they never restocked it, but they actually have some really cool like pedestal options more recently that I saw, and I really love these. I love the unique shape on them, and then I love that they've got a little bit of texture as well. I feel like West Elm does these like pedestals quite often and they always do such a good job. So if you're in the market for some of these pedestals, you want to put like some plants on them, I think they're really cool for that. These would be a really great option to check out. And again, if you're interested in them, I recommend snagging them before they sell out because they tend to not restock certain items like this. Another really gorgeous nightstand option if you wanted something that has like a little bit more of a design element to it but still very minimalistic. These are another great nightstand option. I believe I shared with you guys like the console or the dresser in my last video. Didn't realize that they had nightstands to go with it as well, so this is just kind of like one of their newer collections. Again, these are really great and a nice neutral nightstand that can work in several different spaces as well, so I think these would also be a really great buy for like a bedroom. Next up is this bench that is absolutely stunning. Another thing that West Elm does great is just benches. I keep saying that, honestly all their furniture and decor I think are absolutely amazing, but this bench is absolutely beautiful. I love the different textures with the wood, then you've got the textured fabric. Absolutely gorgeous. So if you're looking for like an entryway bench or a bench to put at the foot of your bed, I would definitely recommend checking this one out. And then if this one doesn't work for you, just check out West Elm in general. They have some really nice ones. A girl was even showing on my Instagram the other day, they have one that's like very like budget friendly too. So they have kind of like all price points on the website. So when you go on the website, definitely don't get intimidated by the pricing because they actually do have like a wide variety of pricing on there. So this entryway table is awesome. I love just how bold the wood on it is. So if you're in the market for something for your entryway, I feel like this is a really nice, high quality, sturdy piece. Again, you can't go wrong with West Elm. You know it's going to last forever. And I feel like this could be, again, styled in so many different ways. You could even kind of use this as like a smaller makeup vanity if you didn't have that much space in like a bedroom or something. So pieces like this that you can kind of like mix and match and move around over the years are a really great thing to kind of spend a little bit more money on. And that way you can keep it for a long term. All right, I wanted to share these pillow covers because I actually still have these pillow covers to this day. They are some of the like thickest, high quality pillow covers I have ever owned. Mine are absolutely beautiful. They're in this nice olive color. Unfortunately, the olive green is no longer available, but they do have a wide variety of colors that are. These are really a great option. I love like the little like two-tone that it's got going on, but again, the fabric on these are absolutely stunning, as well as it's just like a very sturdy, high quality. And again, I like how it's just like plain. There isn't like too much design to it, so you can always like find a place to use them. Then I wanted to include something for those people who have like a smaller space. This bar cart is a really great option. Now I've seen people actually take this bar cart and use it as like a little cosmetic cart or a little cart for everything in their bathroom. So you can kind of use this a ton of different ways. You can even make like a really small like coffee bar if you live in a smaller apartment. But again, just wanted to share with you guys just the wide variety of things that they have. They even have pieces like this that definitely cater to smaller spaces as well. They even make like sofas and everything. So definitely a great website to check out and shop if you've never checked it out. All right, and then I wanted to share with you guys this faux plant. This was very similar to the one that I shared with you guys a few months back that sold out immediately. This is a great option, and I feel like this one even looks better than that one. When I saw it, I was like, I think the one that I bought was like trying to mimic the one from West Elm that I'm sharing with you guys here. So just another really great place to find like faux plants like this. Again, when this one becomes back in stock, I will let you guys know. But if you're looking for like a high quality faux plant, definitely recommend checking this one out. Guys, that is everything that I wanted to share with you guys for today's video. Again, a huge thank you to Thrive Market for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!